This is Chrissy en route to spy on her neighbors to see what they're doing in the bushes last night. Chrissy in stealth mode. Uh-oh. The funniest part of this is there's no drugs involved whatsoever. Look at those sexy boots. You are soft. There's truly something wrong with you, girl. There's no one you can't sneak up on dressed like that. Oh, little bunny. The pet detective. Chrissy the pet detective found a bunny. Ooh, what is that black thing? Is that a bomb shelter? What is that? What does Chrissy say that is? Oh, poison ivy. Poison ivy. Yeah, there's poison ivy. Oh, you get the boots on. You don't have to worry about it. I think they're more over that way, right? Yeah, there's poison ivy. Let's go in over there.